What if the key to staying healthy, energetic, and disease-free wasn't hidden in expensive supplements or complicated diet plans, but instead came from simple foods you can eat every day? Real health is built slowly, meal by meal, choice by choice. In this video, I'll show you the top 11 foods you must eat to stay healthy, protect your heart and brain, strengthen your immune system, support digestion, and maintain high energy levels as you age. These foods work together to nourish your body from the inside out. Let's start with food number 1. Number 1. Leafy green vegetables. Leafy green vegetables such as spinach, kale, Swiss chard, romaine lettuce, and arugula are some of the most powerful foods you can include in your daily diet. They are loaded with essential vitamins like A, C, K, and folate, which support immune strength, eye health, blood clotting, and proper cell growth. These greens are also rich in antioxidants and plant compounds that help reduce chronic inflammation, protect your cells from damage, and slow down the aging process. Their high fiber content supports digestion, promotes regular bowel movements, and feeds beneficial gut bacteria, which plays a critical role in immunity and overall health. Leafy greens also help regulate blood sugar levels and improve circulation, making them essential for heart and metabolic health. When eaten consistently, whether raw, blended, or lightly cooked, leafy greens help cleanse the body naturally and create a strong nutritional foundation for long-term wellness. Number 2. Fatty fish. Fatty fish such as salmon, sardines, mackerel, and trout are among the most important foods for maintaining heart and brain health. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation throughout the body, lower triglycerides, and protect against heart disease and stroke. Omega-3s also play a major role in brain function, supporting memory, focus, and emotional balance, while helping reduce the risk of cognitive decline as you age. Fatty fish is an excellent source of complete protein, which supports muscle repair and metabolic function, and it also provides vitamin D, a nutrient essential for immune health, bone strength, and hormone balance. Selenium found in fatty fish helps protect cells from oxidative stress and supports thyroid function. Eating fatty fish regularly helps keep your cardiovascular system strong, your mind sharp, and your body resilient. Before we move to the next food, make sure to like the video. It really helps support the channel and allows me to bring you more health-focused content like this. Number 3. Eggs. Eggs are one of the most complete and nutrient-dense foods you can eat, offering an impressive combination of protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins. They contain all 9 essential amino acids, making them ideal for muscle repair, strength, and overall body maintenance. Eggs are especially rich in choline, a nutrient that plays a key role in brain development, memory, and liver health. They also provide important vitamins such as B12, vitamin D, and selenium, which support energy production, immune defense, and healthy aging. Eggs help control appetite by keeping you full longer, reducing cravings and unnecessary snacking throughout the day. When included regularly as part of a balanced diet, eggs support metabolic health, mental clarity, and sustained energy levels. Number 4. Berries. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries may be small, but they deliver powerful health benefits. They are packed with antioxidants that protect your cells from free radical damage, helping to reduce inflammation and slow the aging process. Berries are particularly beneficial for brain health, as they support memory, learning, and cognitive performance. Their high fiber content improves digestion, supports gut health, and helps regulate blood sugar levels, making them an excellent choice for people focused on weight control and metabolic balance. Berries are also rich in vitamin C, which strengthens the immune system and supports healthy skin. Eating berries regularly adds natural sweetness to your diet while delivering long-term protective benefits for your body and mind. Number 5. Nuts. Nuts, such as almonds, walnuts, pistachios, cashews, and hazelnuts, are nutrient-dense foods that provide a powerful combination of healthy fats, protein, fiber, and essential minerals. The healthy fats found in nuts help protect the heart by improving cholesterol levels and reducing inflammation. Nuts also provide vitamin E, magnesium, and zinc, which support immune function, nerve health, and muscle contraction. Their combination of fat, fiber, and protein helps control appetite, keeps you feeling full longer, and stabilizes energy levels throughout the day. Regular nut consumption has been linked to improved heart health, better brain function, and a reduced risk of chronic diseases. When eaten in moderation, nuts are an excellent daily addition to a healthy lifestyle. Number 6. Oats. Oats are one of the healthiest whole grains you can eat and are especially beneficial for heart and digestive health. They are rich in soluble fiber, particularly beta-glucan, which helps lower bad cholesterol levels and improve blood sugar control. Oats provide slow-digesting carbohydrates that deliver steady energy and help prevent energy crashes. They also contain important nutrients like magnesium, iron, and B vitamins, which support muscle function, oxygen transport, and metabolism. Oats promote fullness, support gut health, and help maintain a healthy weight. Including oats regularly in your diet supports balanced energy levels and long-term metabolic health. Number 7. Yogurt. Yogurt is a powerful food for digestive and immune health, especially when it contains live and active cultures. These probiotics help balance gut bacteria, improve digestion, and enhance nutrient absorption. A healthy gut is closely linked to a stronger immune system, better mood, and reduced inflammation. Yogurt also provides high-quality protein and calcium, which support muscle maintenance, bone density, and overall structural health. Regular consumption of yogurt can reduce digestive discomfort, improve gut balance, and strengthen your body's natural defense systems over time. Number 8. Legumes. Legumes such as lentils, chickpeas, and beans are excellent sources of plant-based protein, fiber, and essential minerals. They help stabilize blood sugar levels, improve digestion, and support heart health by lowering cholesterol. Legumes are also rich in iron and potassium, which support oxygen delivery and fluid balance in the body. Their slow-digesting carbohydrates provide sustained energy and promote long-lasting fullness, making them ideal for weight management. Including legumes regularly supports gut health, metabolic balance, and overall nutritional quality. Number 9. Avocados. Avocados are rich in healthy monounsaturated fats that support cardiovascular health and reduce inflammation. They are also high in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and muscle function. Avocados contain fiber that improves digestion and helps control appetite. Their healthy fats enhance the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins from other foods, increasing overall nutrient intake. Regular avocado consumption supports brain function, skin health, and long-term vitality. Number 10. Garlic. Garlic has been valued for centuries for its powerful medicinal properties. It contains natural compounds that help fight bacteria, viruses, and inflammation. Garlic supports heart health by helping lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. It also supports immune strength and assists the body's natural detoxification processes. Including garlic regularly in your meals strengthens your immune system and contributes to long-term cardiovascular health. Number 11. Apples. Apples are one of the most beneficial fruits you can eat daily for long-term health. They are rich in fiber, especially pectin, which supports digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Apples contain antioxidants that protect cells from damage and support heart health. Their natural sweetness makes them a satisfying alternative to processed snacks, helping reduce sugar cravings. Regular apple consumption supports gut health, weight management, and overall vitality. Staying healthy doesn't happen overnight. It's built through consistent choices over time. By including these 11 powerful foods in your daily routine, you support your heart, brain, digestion, immunity, and energy naturally. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to live a healthier life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Healthy Grams video.